a bit storytelling muna tayo, guys. Ang funny kasi, I'm the one who's into skincare, pero si mama ang naging consistent sa masu. Ako yung nagfi-film, pero siya yung glowing everyday. And to be honest, nauubusan na ako ng new angles for this product. But today, I realize it's easier for her to stay consistent kasi the set is so easy to use. No heaviness, no sticky feeling, just simple steps. Kung hirap ka rin mag-consistency, maybe you just need a skincare na hindi demanding. Masu is perfect for people who want results without too much effort. So if you're struggling to stay consistent, maybe the problem isn't you. Maybe you just need a skincare that's easy to love, and for mama, Masu made that possible. If you want something lightweight, non-sticky, and beginner-friendly, try Masu. If it worked for mama, baka mag-work din sa'yo. Follow for more Masu Skincare Day 8 updates. Thank you for watching.